I'm Lindsay Crane, and these are my retro craft dreams. Today I'm in my library because it's Library Day. This is the series where I will choose a book from my collection and we'll go through it and see if we can find something new to learn or interesting to do. Let's see what I have. Crochet, macrame, plenty of cross stitch, lots of needlepoint of course, some embroidery, sewing, some questionable crafts back there we'll save for a future day. You know, I think I want to start over there with my general needlecraft books. Those are the ones that have a multitude of crafts inside. I'm back and I have chosen LeeWards Illustrated Library of Arts and Crafts. This is a 4-volume set and today I have volume 4. It is from 1974. In 1974, the Sears Tower in Chicago became the tallest building in the world. A 26-year-old Stephen King published his first novel, Carrie. Across the world, 1 billion people watched Elvis on their televisions in Aloha from Hawaii. And Mel Brooks had it too for that year. Both Blazing Saddles and Young Frankenstein were released to theaters in 1974. This book does not look like it comes from the same era as Carrie and Blazing Saddles. It does not compute. But it did. Let's go see what's inside. I have chosen, as I said, LeeWards Illustrated Library of Arts and Crafts. This is volume 4. Let's just have a look inside here. Let me start with the table of contents. Okay, so there's a lot of things here that I'm not going to be able to do today. Pottery and clay modeling. Mobiles could be fun. Mosaics, weaving, design and crafts, knitting, crochet, candle making, scrap art, transformation of trash into treasure. Scrap art is a fantastic, inexpensive venture into creativity. Or boutiquing. An ancient craft of beads and eggs. Scrap art sounds like exactly the kind of thing I'm after today. All right, page 794. All right, let's see. Scrap art. Oh, okay. An automobile carburetor and a car radio were the scrap materials combined inventively by Suzanne Peters to create this atomic man. Wow. Scrap art is a delightful way of transforming trash into treasures. For hundreds of years, man has used worn-out materials in various ways. Let's just have a look here. Projects you can do. So this is a barrel back chair pin cushion. Oh, and it's got the pattern right here. That could be really cute. Materials needed for this project are 1 round cylinder type container with bottom, such as an oatmeal or salt box. Styrofoam ball or large wad of steel wool. Okay, well, I don't have the styrofoam ball or large wad of steel wool, nor do I have an oatmeal or salt box. So I might have to come back to that one some other day. Raw string bag. Materials for this project are plastic gallon container such as is used for milk or bleach. Half-yard solid. So what we're seeing here is 70s DIY. Like, So are you using the milk jug as or the bleach bottle as the bottom of the bowl? Wow. Okay, the bag. No, I'm not doing that today. Oh my god. Is that a tuna can? Okay, wait. Bureau boxes. Materials needed for this project are any can approximately 3.5 to 4 inch in diameter and about 1.5 to 2 inches deep, such as a tuna fish can. It is! It's a decorated tuna can. Oh my god. A plastic half-gallon container for ice cream was used to create a container for buttons or sewing. They decorated I mean, my grandma, she saved every like yogurt tub and everything she ever had, but she never bothered to decorate them and make them all fancy. This is hilarious. So yeah, this 70s DIY hack. Cover your tuna can in fabric. I don't think I'm doing that today. Oh, that's kind of cool. Again, old tin can lids can be cut and curled to make flower petals. That does not sound safe. Wow. Just wow. What else do we have here? An Afghan. Okay, here we go. Afghan is made from scrap fake fur. Okay, what about a mosaic box and jewelry? Materials for this project are old earrings, bracelets, rings. So you're making jewelry out of jewelry? Oh, with missing stones. Okay. Any small box of plastic or cardboard for the box project. Short grained rice. Do not use minute rice or wild rice. Covered the box in rice. They covered the box in rice. This is like preschool project. Only serious adults doing it as a DIY hack in the 70s. Okay. So I have a feeling whatever I do today is gonna be kind of silly. Gift boxes. Tiffany vases. So are they just like painting bottles? These Tiffany style vases are inexpensive to make. Paint small section with different colors of nail polish and outline the areas with liquid lead or black marking pen. I could do that. Let's come back to that one. Okay, piggy bank. This finished piggy bank is supported by plastic corn cob holders. Its feet are corn cob holders. Oh my god. Okay, so for that you again need a bleach or fabric softener bottle, half yard of print fabric, a yard of lace, scraps of white, black, and gold felt glue, and 4 corn holders. I'm gonna stick corn cob holders in a bleach bottle. Wrap it up in fabric and lace to make a piggy bank. Wow. And we thought our DIY hacks today got pretty questionable. Wow. Just wow. We got a ragdoll door stop. Oh, but she's cute. Butterflies and flowers memory box. Okay, and then we're into boutiquing. Okay, that does kind of look cool. That tree is kind of fascinating. Gonna have to read up on that though. I think we're gonna do that. Let's see what this says and see if I can do it just with what I have. I'm not going shopping for any of this. Materials needed are plastic liquid detergent bottles, various shades of nail polish, liquid lead, permanent black marking pen, sharp scissors or knife, cotton swabs, and nail polish remover. So we've got these materials, but in here it said liquid lead or a black marking pen. So clearly I don't have liquid lead, but I do have a Sharpie. So I think we can just kind of DIY this DIY a little bit. Because yeah, you know, I do actually have a whole bunch of really old nail polish. I am not one for painting my nails anymore, and I never want to just throw it away. So this could be a good way to just use some of it up. I don't have any liquid detergent bottles. I don't know if I have any plastic bottles either. They usually just go right in the recycling. But I do kind of have a glass jar hoard. I mean, it's not like I've never painted anything with nail polish before. I have on several occasions. Okay, so I think we're gonna try making this 70s DIY Tiffany vase hacked with just what I happen to have. So I'm gonna go and see what I can find. Yeah, let's make a Tiffany vase. I found a black marker, a jar, and it took some digging, but I did find my really ancient collection of nail polish. Not a lot of variety here, but let's get started. With the permanent marking pen, outline large areas on the bottle as shown. Use different shades of nail polish, colors can be mixed, to fill in the areas. Okay, so we're just gonna draw here. What should we draw here? Some big blobby shapes. I kind of want to have a couple hidden shapes in here though. Start here. Let's choose some colors. I'm going to make my crow iridescent. Entirely sure what to do about the lines. I'm going to try going over them with a Sharpie again when they're set and cured. I finished this project a while ago, a couple of weeks ago, and forgot to, wrap it up. So here I am as decor. Yeah, it's questionable. I would not do this to achieve the Tiffany vase that I couldn't buy at the store. No. However, as an activity, it was really meditative. I kind of didn't want to stop. Some of this nail polish took several coats, but it's entirely possible that I just found an excuse to keep going because I wanted to keep going. And in fact, while I was waiting for it to dry, I made another one because I had another jar and I didn't want to stop painting. Maybe it's just me. But this is looking really 70s. It could go very Christmas very easily with the colors that I had. It might have looked like I had more colors, but the other two were just glitter with a clear base, so they wouldn't have worked very well for this. I don't know. It honestly does look really 70s to me. Maybe it's the blobby shapes. I do think that's part of it. I really did enjoy doing it and kind of want to do more. And I do still have plenty of nail polish left. So what else should I paint? I just want to use it up now. So let me know down below. Tell me what else you think I should paint. I was a bit disappointed with the marker lines. It kept rubbing off the glass. I had to draw it on again. And of course the nail polish painted over it, which I expected. I expected to have to go over the lines again, but the Sharpie did not like drawing on the nail polish. So I was really tempted, especially since I knew I wasn't putting this video out for a little while. I was really tempted to buy some liquid lead and try it out. But I talked myself out of it. I committed to not buying anything for this project, and also it would be a waste. I would not be able to use it all up. So yeah, if I ever find another reason to need a bottle of liquid lead, I will totally add that on, because I'm not getting rid of these. Like, they're ugly, but they're fun. I have no regrets about doing this project. Is this an original idea or uncommon? Not remotely. I'm willing to bet at least half of you watching this video have painted something in your life with nail polish that was not a fingernail. It's not a far reach to paint something else with nail polish. What I do find fascinating, though, is written how-to instructions in a book from the 70s. It's so ridiculous. And I really hope that you found it as funny as me. Thanks for coming along on this 70s DIY ride with me today. If you are new to this channel and you stuck around this long, thank you. Hello, welcome. Usually I will make a vintage craft project. That is what you can typically expect. I don't know how often we'll do DIY, but I will have plenty of vintage tacky style. But if there was anything in that book that we looked at earlier that you want to see me make, do let me know. And it might take me a while, but I'll see what I can do. I don't know what I would do with a tuna can bureau box or a bleach bottle corn cob holder piggy bank, but it would probably be fun to make. It might take me a while to, you know, accumulate a bleach bottle, I guess. But yeah, let me know if you want to see anything like that, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. I really hope to see you next time. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and remember to subscribe. That's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I will see you next time. Oh, squeak. Okay. Creaky chair. How can I stop squeaking? You'd think I'd have learned by now to plug in the microphone. But no, you would be wrong. Okay, this chair, was it squeaking before? Because this is really bad. Why does it creak when I breathe in? I'm not used to wearing animals on my shoulders. Well, that is really not true.
A few moments later.
You're also gonna snag my sweater. Please don't snag my sweater. Okay, go. Oh, you're snagging it, dude. Go. If I could figure out where it squeaks so I can avoid doing whatever it is that makes it squeak. Can you? Oh my god, dude. You ignore me all the time except when I'm filming. Do you realize that? I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. Like, it's what words? Why words? Why? They don't head. No. Get your squeaks out, chair.